happy Saturday. It is a beautiful day here in Michigan. It's a little cold, a little chillero, as Allison would say. But I had to hop on, and I kind of, this wasn't a planned live, but I got my box finally from Magnolia Design Company. The USPS apparently wanted to hold on to it for a little bit. It hung out in Grand Rapids for a couple extra days, I think, because they got shipped out right away. But then, the post office is pretty good, but with the whole icky, gross, nasty stuff bug going around, yeah, it's slowed things down a bit. So I hope you're all having a beautiful day. I wanted to open this so bad, but I wanted to do it on a live, so I had to hop on and do it now, because otherwise I was going to open it without sharing it with you, and I want to share it with you. So I'm going to go ahead and let me pop into the video here. Okay, so here's my box. Here's my box. It has a little cute little Magnolia sticker. It says made with love. We'll see what kind of love I got. Now, I will say, hold on, let me get in here. I didn't pop into my comments. I like the word pop, by the way. I don't say it for soda, but okay. Hopefully I'm working. If you do hop on, you watch this later, I'd appreciate it if you put hashtag replay, then I know when. I just need to get back into the groove and see when, when things are actually being seen, because Facebook sometimes, he doesn't put stuff out there. So, if you could do that for me, I would greatly appreciate it. Actually, if you do hop on, say yay, so I know it's working. I might have Miss Sally. Miss Sally, can you hear me in your little microphone thing? It's all going good, right? Yeah. Because I didn't tell the children that they had to get off the internet. Okay, barbecue. She put barbecue, so I think it's good. All right. So, anyways, I will say I did put a post if you saw on my page, which you may not have seen, because sometimes, I don't know if you have this issue, but I see things days later than when people post them, and that could be here too, that you could see it next week. So I'm just going to let you know. I just posted, I believe yesterday, Magnolia Design. It is a direct sales company, but it's a little bit different because it doesn't have all the rules like a direct sales company does. So that's why I decided to be a party to it. Join on and use their products along with what other things I'm doing. But anyways, they have a new May kit out, and the kit that I'm going to open right now is different from the May kit. The May kit is actually, it's less money and you get some good things. So there's a little bit more in this one, and it was a little bit more money. So anyway, I did share that. They have that super good deal. Hello, Melissa. How are you? But anyways, the that May deal, that $49.99 deal, I think is only through the end of the month. And I will say a couple things. I know I had a couple of people message me and say, "Do I have to join to be able to buy product?" Absolutely not. You can hop on my website. Actually, the simplest way to get there is just go to thebantlife.com and click on the Magnolia Design tab, and that'll pop you into there. And I'll share some of the links in the comments. I wanted to hop on, so I didn't take the time to put them in the description, but I'll put them in the comments after. But anyways, the thing I will tell you though is you get a 35% discount if you join on. So, and you don't have any minimums like a direct sales company, so you can get stuff whenever you want. So just a thought for all of you crafty people who don't necessarily want a business but want a discount. And I think you do get a website with that. And I think it's $10 a month, so that's what you pay. But then the thing is, you could share it with your friends, and you could pay for your craft addiction. Just a thought, just putting it out there. All right, okay, let me take this off of here so that you're not seeing that. Okay, let's open this thing. Let's get it open and see what we got. And then what I think I'll do is later today, I will I'll hop on and play around with some of this stuff. I can't do it now because I got a bunch of other things to do on the list of things. You know how it goes on a Saturday. I don't know. But this is the thing. Anymore, it doesn't even matter what day it is. I don't know about y'all, but are you excited? I'm excited. Okay, I'm going to turn it. I don't have a lot of room, but we'll turn it sideways and pop this up, and hopefully it won't hit that camera. Okay, so let me actually, well, I can't turn it around. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at all my goodies. Can you see my goodies? Wow. Okay. So the chalk paste, all right, can you see it? Yeah, I think we're good. All right, so it looks like, let's open it all up. I gotta be careful because I don't want to cut myself. They got everything taped together really cute. There's an apron. I am the collector of all the aprons. So that's cute. I think that's what that is. Is it an apron? Yeah, it's an apron. So I got an apron. I love aprons. In case you like, you know, make aprons and you want to donate one, I can send you my address because I love me some aprons. Okay, let's see what else is in here. This is the Stencil Cleaner. Stencil Cleaner. I think it's, yeah, it's to clean your stencils. Here we've got some squeegees. I'm just going to like throw this out of the way onto the bed. Got a big old mambo jumbo, like big squeegee. And that's for scraping the paste through or the ink. And then I got a little one. And I bet I can cut that up if I need a smaller one probably. So I got that. And I got, this is, okay, you know I got ink and I got paste. But they had an issue where, like if you hop on the website and look, they're getting back in stock. They have the paste in stock, but the little containers, the company that makes them, they're on hiatus because of the issue that's going on worldwide. So these might actually be a little larger than the normal because they were going to do temporarily larger containers. But it looks like I got some wild colors here. Oh, here it says, this is the ink. So I got a yellow. That's a pretty color ink. Oh, I like that. So this would be for like fabrics or anything like, you know, pillowcases, t-shirts, things like that. So they have a whole line of inks. And then they also have, these are all the pastes because none of them say ink on them. So I got this crazy summery orange. I got this kind of really pretty softer minty green. I got, oh here, this one has a name on it. Those don't. But this one is Sahara Gold. The gold chalk paste, and then this very bright pink. The kids are going to love playing with that one, I think. So those are the chalk paste that I got in the kit. And let's look and see what we got, what else we got. And the ink. So we got some little rounds. These are very cute for like testing and playing on. These are, and they're like a hard, so you can wipe them clean. Like with the chalk paste, it's not permanent. You can make it permanent if you want. But that's what like these surfaces are for, so you can design on them, and then if you want to erase them and redo them, you can, or you can spray them with like a water-based sealer, and that, oh, I gotta open these up. So here it tells a little bit about the founders. Very sweet. Okay, and then I'm gonna open this puppy, and we'll see what it says. Join me, and then you get the Magnolia flower. Oh, this is not working. I'm just gonna tear it. What all we got. I think there's like summer minis in here, and I'm excited to have the kids play. So we got that one, so you can see that one. And actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move the box out and then get it out of the way here. All right, so I got my apron, my cleaner. Okay, so now you can see the stencils. All right, so I got this one, and it has the cute logo, which I do like their logo. It's very cute. Oh, this one's cute. I don't know if you can see it, but it says calories, noun, tiny creatures that live in your closet and sew your clothes a little bit tighter every night. Ain't that the truth? Holy cow. Yeah, that's cute. That's a nice size too. And it has like all the care instructions on the back, how to clean it, how to store them. I kind of want to feel them. I'm going to open one up and feel it. Oh, this is cute. It's like a family Subway kind of art. That's very cute. The thing that's nice about these reusable stencils too, that I know from my past experience with using similar ones or ones that I made, you can, let's say you wanted to do just the heart with hope or the love, you can use just parts of it. So you don't, like when you put it on something, let's say I wanted to do like the hope would fit on this little round, and you could just put and do just the hope, if that makes sense. We'll do that. Maybe we'll do that later, and I'll show you. You'll love it. Okay, and this is the one that I want. The kids are going to love this. Hello, summer. I don't know what it says about something set vacay, like for vacation. And then I think these are like overlays over, you can do multiple layers with the glasses. And then here's the summer minis that I got. And these are kind of cute. Cutie cute cuters. I know a lot of people probably won't be going on vacation. I'm going to open up this one. Let's open this up. But I want to keep it so I can slide it back in the plastic. So let's see if I can do this without ruining the plastic here. Because I want to feel the surface texture of these. Because like I said, you know, I was waiting on my kit, so I couldn't really tell everybody. Yeah, they're kind of a, I don't know. I don't want to say it's plasticky because it's not. And we'll see how sticky they are. They're a moderate sticky. They're not super, super sticky, but I can see you have to fuzz them if you're going to put them on like a smooth surface. And I could see that. Can you see how sticky they are? I don't want to say, there are other lines out there that are not as sticky. And then I think the other maybe competitor one to this would be maybe a little more sticky. So this is like right in between. So it's probably a sweet spot of sticky, if you know what I mean. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. And I don't know if you're familiar with, I'll show you. For anybody out there who doesn't know what a, like a screen stencil or a mesh stencil is, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Let me try holding this up. But see, I used to cut stencils for the, can you see there's like a screen right here? So the center is like on top and there's like a screen, almost like a screen print, like a traditional screen print for, like, you know, you'd get t-shirts made for when you were in high school or whatever, for different events, and you'd go to the screen printer and get them made. And this is just that same kind of concept. So, and those are the kind of stencils that I'm going to be making too. So with the icon art, I can make custom ones. So this is a nice alternative to the custom. They have a very nice selection of stencils. Hello, Renee. And they have some coming out the end of the month that are just adorable. I should probably share the ones that are coming out too. But it's a growing company. It's newer. They just have lots of fun stuff. Something for everyone. Absolutely. Something for everyone. So check it out. You know, go on to thebeatlife.com, click on the Magnolia Design tab. You can kind of see what they have. And maybe later tonight I'll come on and I'll show you. And we'll, oh no, I didn't show you the surface. Oh my goodness, I just realized. Hold on. See, here's the surface that I got. I didn't look at it. We need to look at it. All right. I got ahead of myself. Got so excited. But they have different surfaces. They have these cute nesting trays that I would like to get. See, this is nice. This is a chalkboard surface. So I can chalk on this, and then, so like I could do this sign on there. See that? And you could do different colors. I thought you were never going to open that box. Yes, you'll be able to watch, Carol. Yeah, you should have yelled at me. Cheri, what's in the box underneath there? Because I would, you know what? I got the foggy old person brain. But this is a nice surface.
Don't insult old people.
Yeah, okay. And it looks, okay, and this is nice too. Let me show you this. You've got hangers to hang it this way, or you've got hangers to hang it this way. So if you wanted to do a sign, you know, vertical, you can, or if you want to do a horizontal sign, you can, which is nice. It gives you that flexibility. The other thing is too, see, I've got the chalk paints that I'm using. Let's say you get one of these and you want to darken it up with a little chalk paint, you can totally do that too. But I'm excited. I'll come on later and we'll play around with the little rounds. And I'll show you by using some of these in here. And we'll ink with some of these crazy pretty colors. Like, look at that. That's makes me feel like I'm 14 again. I think I had a bikini back in the day when I was 14 and that was that color. Makes me want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach. We have a beach, but the water's very cold. So anyways, yeah, so stay tuned. I'll be hopping on. Yeah, Renee, yes, the family stuff. It's very cute. And, you know, so many different, like I was saying, so many different things you can do with this. So I'm excited to try it out. So anyways, stay tuned. I'll probably be on live later. If not, it'll be tomorrow. And we'll be playing with this stuff. I'll shoot, like beforehand, I'll put a little notification that I'm going live. So to give you a heads up. And if you're watching it later, please put a hashtag replay just so I can see when people are on. So anyways, thanks for watching. And you all have a very blessed weekend. We'll see you later.